You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go. Welcome back, guys. So yesterday was a pretty hard day on the stair climbing. Today, we're back to the 14-minute interval. I'm going to juice it up to a resistance of 12, and we're going to do our best. Don't forget your iWatch if you have one. Great tool for heart rate. A whole bunch of different sports in here. If you don't have a Max Trainer by Bowflex, go visit their site. That's where you buy them. This is the site where you work out, the oil fill workout guy. All right, we put this machine to the test. We max it out and we just try our best. One thing before we start, I want you to remember this. I want you to take this with you. This is something I used to say to myself all the time. I don't know if you know this. I don't know if I revealed it before. I used to inline speed skate. I used to run marathons and do 5K races. The hardest race you will ever do is the one with nobody watching. What do I mean? It is so hard to motivate yourself to finish what you started unless somebody is cheering you on. Once you learn how to do that and accomplish that and do it for yourself, when you get in front of a crowd of people, you will be a rock star. Guaranteed every time. You have to learn how to do something for yourself. All right, that's enough of that. Let's get on the machine. When I get on there and we do the countdown, 3, 2, 1, we're going to hit the big max button. If you don't have one of these machines, stay with me. Don't leave my channel. Encourage your friends to come along. If you have an elliptical, if you have a treadmill, if you have a bike, stationary, you don't want to ride around your house. If you have to run in place, just do it. All right? We're only here to work out together. That's it. All right. Let's get on the machine. I am going to get a drink of water. Even though yesterday was hard, I'm going to start my iPhone watch. And on 3, 2, 1, we're going to hit the big max button and we're going to let it rip. And remember, it starts off in a sprint. This is a 14-minute and it has 8 intervals. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is going to be hard already. I was trying to get close to that 60 RPMs. Staying above 20 on the relaxation. I want to make sure I get my 300 calorie burn. Whew! I'm still feeling in my legs from yesterday. Whew. 30 seconds. I'm going to do it again. $15, 10, 5 seconds, get ready. Woo! Yeah, definitely tired. Resistance of 12 is making it hard. It's alright. Just finished the workout. $160 on a heart rate already. Couple deep breaths. We're in stage 2 already. 30 seconds to go. Wow. You're burning some calories though. 5 seconds. Here we go. Definitely harder. Set on 12. Stage 3. Already 120 calories. Heart rate staying up really good. 165. I don't know if I can do this on that 21 minute though. That might be too much. Eventually though. Stage 4 coming up in 5. Here we go. Woo! This resistance of 12 is definitely getting me. I won't be embarrassed if I drop out of the red zone on the sprint. It's that hard. Keep it going. 175 on the calories already. Doing good. "30 seconds. We go again. Stage 5. "15 seconds. Couple deep breaths. "5 seconds. Here we go. Seconds. 10 calories already. Just finishing out stage 5 here. 167 on the heart. I gotta get more water. Thirty seconds. Stage 6 coming up. Still 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds. 5, get ready. Here it goes. Five seconds. Whew. Wow. I'm not quitting. If I have to slow down, I'll slow down. I will not quit. $260 calories already. Still in stage 6. $30 seconds to go. Coming up on stage 7. $15. 10. 5, get ready. Keep it going. Wow. Very on calories. Still one stage to go. 172 on the heart. Deep breaths in there. Get that oxygen in your lungs. Don't you quit now. Don't you quit. We're at the end of the race. $30 seconds. One more sprint. You can do it. 320 on the calories. Ten seconds. We can do this. 5 seconds. Give it your best. Here we go. Fight for it. Stay in the red. Fight for it. 5 seconds. Let's finish it out now. Wow, that's hard. Got a minute left. Finish it out. This one hurt. It definitely hurt. 360 on the calories. Still at 170 on the heart. "30 seconds. Finish it. "15 seconds. You got this. $375. Nice. All right. Wow. 376. Stop my iPhone watch. That one hurt. If you put your machine where I did, great job if you stuck it out. If you did your best, great job for you. We'll see you next time.